Well, let's just also get you more news, and this is in regard to the front areas. My colleague Vishnu Som reports from near the Rajouri-Akhnur front line. This is NDTV meeting with the army and the air defense gunners, the gunners that knocked out dozens of Pakistani drones. Let's get you this ground report with Vishnu Som.
I'm in the broader Akhnur area. I can't tell you where exactly I am. That's classified. I'm on an Indian Army T-72 tank. And what we can tell you in this very special program is that tanks like this and also BMP-2s, which are armored personnel carriers, infantry combat vehicles, were used in Operation Sindoor as well. These were used and brought right up to the line of control, and they took out terrorist incursion routes. They fired their main guns, they fired a host of weaponry. We've heard about the role of the Air Force, we've heard about fighter jets, we've heard about our infantry soldiers, Army Air Defense, the Air Force's Air Defense, all sorts of missiles being fired. But did you know that tanks also had a role during Op Sindoor? Op Sindoor, of course, is not over at all, but when we were at the peak of Op Sindoor, what we've now learned is that mechanized infantry units of the Indian Army, armored units of the Indian Army were also deployed right up to the line of control and taking out terrorist incursion or potential terrorist incursion routes. Joining us now, a colonel of the army who was involved in these operations. We can't name him right now, and that gives you an idea of how tense things still are. But thank you very much for speaking to us. It was interesting to learn about the use of BMPs and tanks as well. What was their role in Op Sindoor so far?
So far, see, if I say they were used in a sub-conventional manner. If I may say, they were used for precision targeting and a calibrated response, so that it doesn't happen that the caliber escalation is there. So that's why the targets were identified, which were within range and which had to be hit with precision. So if you can roll down, you can see a 30 millimeter gun. It is very precise and it can fire various types of ammunition, which can have a devastating effect on the enemy. And thereafter, we have got a missile also, which can hit till around 4,000 meters. So that is why only small portion, if I may say, only a fraction of these equipment were used against the ceasefire violation which the enemy had brought on us.
आपका रोल यहाँ क्या है और हम किसके सामने खड़े हैं?
सर, हम अपनी यूनिट के ड्रोन ऑपरेटर हैं। हमने ड्रोन और क्वाडकॉप्टर में महारत हासिल कर रखी है। जैसे ही हमें इस ऑपरेशन का पता चला, हमें आगे की पोस्टों पर डिप्लॉय किया गया। हमने अपने इक्विपमेंट्स और ड्रोन्स को टारगेट के ऊपर 24 घंटे सर्विलेंस में रखा, जिससे कि दुश्मन के जीआर, उनकी एक्टिविटी और रेगुलर हरकत के बारे में हमें पता चला। उसे हमने अपने सर्विलेंस रूम में पास किया और जैसे ही हमने पास किया, हमारे ट्रूप्स को उससे बहुत मदद मिली। उसके बाद हमारे जो वेपन्स थे, जो कि उस पर कारगर साबित हो सकते थे, उससे हमने फायर डाला और दुश्मन को बर्बाद किया।
Let's also get you NDTV reporting from the line of control. We bring you the ground reality of what took place during Operation Sindoor. The Indian Army successfully deployed indigenous defense technologies under the Atmanirbhar Bharat, and this operation marked a very significant milestone in the operational readiness and the efficiency of Made in India artillery. Technology played a key role. My colleague Nazir gets us all the details.
We're at the line of control, and behind me is the fencing, which has helped a great deal to effectively prevent infiltration. It was done after 2003 ceasefire. It was achieved. Before that, Pakistan was not allowing this fencing to come up. And now you can see here how after Operation Sindoor, soldiers are guarding this line of control, this fence, to ensure that no one breaches this fence. Because while Pakistan has been targeted at multiple levels, terror launch pads, military installations, but army is not taking any chance when it comes to defending the borders and also counter infiltration grid. It is a robust mechanism on the ground here at the line of control. So the troops here alert 24/7, and I can send you drone footage also here. Drones are also drone surveillance also. So this is a robust counter infiltration mechanism. As the army destroyed multiple posts of Pakistan on the other side of this fence, and besides the military installation, terror launch pads. So on this side is the Lipa Valley. On the other side of this fence is the Lipa Valley, and according to army, multiple camps, multiple posts have been destroyed here. So this place tells you the India's counter infiltration mechanism here, and also how India has carried out Operation Sindoor at the line of control, and from the air defense installations, from artillery installations, and from soldiers who are guarding this border in the bunkers here, and then patrolling the borders here on the line of control here at this. This is the vigil on the borders. You can see it may be just demonstrative right now, but the fact is this is how troops are maintaining round the clock vigil. And this fencing, this multi-layer, you can see multi-layer fencing here on the border is one of the biggest barriers for infiltrators to cross over. So it is something we are bringing you. This is first time after Operation Sindoor, media has been allowed to visit the forward posts along the line of control. On this other side is Pakistani occupied Kashmir and their posts, which army said most of them, including also terror launch pads, have been destroyed during Operation Sindoor.
जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, इंडियन आर्मी अत्याधुनिक हवाई और ज़मीनी सर्वेलेंस आलों से लैस है, जिसकी मदद से हम दिन और रात हर मौसम में लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल पर चील की नज़र रखे हुए हैं। पेट्रोलिंग और एम्बुशेस से हम ये सुनिश्चित करते हैं कि लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल के पार किसी भी प्रकार की घुसपैठ ना हो पाए। आर्टिलरी, एंटी टैंक गाइडेड मिसाइल्स, मोटर्स और न्यू जनरेशन वेपन्स की मदद से हम दुश्मन के सभी पोस्टों को अपने निशाने पर रखे हुए हैं। दुश्मन और टेररिस्ट की किसी भी गलत कार्रवाई को नाकाम करने और उसको बराबर सजा देने के लिए इंडियन आर्मी न केवल तैयार और सक्षम है, बल्कि बेताब भी है। जय हिंद।